Welcome back, fellow road warriors, to RV Road Report, your go-to spot for rugged rides and ultimate road trip machines. Today, we've got something super vibrant and fully adventure-ready, the Ford Nugget Plus camper van. And yes, this beauty comes in a vibrant yellow finish that'll make heads turn wherever you park it. If you're dreaming of off-grid escapes or spontaneous weekend getaways, then you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive deep into every inch of this powerful 4x4 beast. From the exterior details to its compact, smart interior, it's all coming up in today's walkthrough. Buckle up, because the Nugget is about to take center stage. Let's roll! Exterior front view. Just look at that bold front. Standing proud at the official Ford showroom, the Ford Nugget Plus flaunts a tough, aerodynamic front profile. The iconic Ford logo is perfectly centered on the grille, radiating rugged confidence. The vibrant yellow paint job isn't just eye-catching, it screams adventure. Sharp LED headlights, a high ground clearance, and a sturdy bumper all hint at its 4x4 capabilities. It's the perfect blend of beauty and beast, designed for both city cruising and backcountry roads. And with its long body, it doesn't just carry looks, it carries purpose. Let's zoom out and see the whole topside next. Topside view. Now let's take it from the top. Literally. The Ford Nugget Plus's roof is packed with utility. Up here, you'll find solar panels installed for that sweet off-grid energy support. Perfect for powering your lights and gadgets while you're off the beaten path. An antenna system ensures you're always connected, whether it's GPS, radio, or streaming your favorite road trip playlist. And yes, there's an AC unit mounted up top, sleek and low profile, ready to keep your indoor space cool and breezy no matter the climate. All of it is neatly tucked to preserve aerodynamics. Let's swing around to the back for more utility. Back side view. Moving around to the rear of the Nugget, practicality takes the spotlight. First off, a securely mounted spare tire, always a must for those off-road detours. Next up, an integrated cycle carrier, carefully adjusted to handle two full-sized bicycles. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through town, your bikes go wherever you do. The back doors swing wide open, revealing the versatile interior space that we'll get into later. And the rear view camera, perfectly placed for easy reverse parking. This rear is all about gear, strong, smart, and ready for action. Time to slide over to the side profile. Side view. Now check out this side profile. Sleek, long, and impressively versatile. What makes it pop even more? The extendable side awning, your instant shady retreat. Pull it out, and boom! You've got your outdoor sitting area ready for sunsets, barbecues, or that morning cup of coffee. Foldable chairs and a compact table fit perfectly under here, transforming the outdoors into your living room. With easy access sliding doors and tinted windows, this side screams travel comfort and quick setup. It's form, function, and fun, all wrapped in bright yellow. Now, let's hop into the captain's seat. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and it's all modern Ford tech. The driver's seat offers full control with multi-adjustable comfort, surrounded by a smart, tech-loaded dash. A large central LED touchscreen controls media, navigation, and vehicle settings, while a secondary rear-view LED monitor provides a live feed from the back camera, making maneuvering this van a breeze. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with built-in USB ports, Bluetooth, and voice control. Cup holders, check. Built-in storage, plenty. With a commanding road view and smooth steering, this ride is ready for any highway or mountain pass. Now let's head to the living zone. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the cockpit lies your personal chill zone. This is the sofa-cum-bed setup, a genius design that doubles as a cozy sitting lounge during the day and a comfy sleeping space at night. Upholstered in high-quality fabric, it's plush, supportive, and perfect for two. There are USB charging ports, built-in storage under the seats, and reading lights overhead. Want to watch something while relaxing? Mount a tablet or fold down a small screen. The choice is yours. And thanks to blackout blinds, you'll sleep like a champ no matter where you're parked. Now let's peek at the compact kitchen setup. Kitchen area. Welcome to your on-the-go mini kitchen, cleverly built into the side of the sleeping area. It's compact but super efficient. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, a small sink with running water, and a mini fridge to keep the essentials fresh. storage cabinets above and below hold utensils, dry goods, and cookware with ease. There's even a foldable countertop extension to give you extra prep space when you need it. With windows right beside the kitchen, cooking becomes an experience, not a chore. Hot coffee or midnight snacks, you're covered. Time to check out where the real privacy happens. The bathroom, washroom. And here's where Ford shows its design brilliance, the compact washroom. Tucked into the rear corner, this small yet functional bathroom includes a cassette toilet, a folding wash basin, and a pull-out shower head, all within arm's reach. Water heating ensures warm showers, and the retractable privacy door keeps things discreet. It's ventilated, well-lit, and surprisingly roomy for its size. Great for weekenders or extended trips, this washroom proves you don't need much space to stay clean and fresh. And now, let's wrap it all up with the final verdict and that sweet price tag. And there you have it, the ultimate yellow beast, the Ford Nugget Plus camper van, in all its compact, adventure-ready glory. From solar panels and bike racks to a cozy bed and efficient kitchen, this van packs it all. With a rugged long body, 4x4 wheels, and every corner crafted for function, it's built for explorers. And the price? Just $67,000. That's a steal for freedom on wheels. What do you think? Ready to hit the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know your dream route. And hey, don't just cruise by. Force that like, smash that share, hit that subscribe, and drop us a comment. This is RV Road Report, rolling out.